Oh, did you video?
It doesn't have sound.
Very good.
Right?
Yeah, it does. Oh, it's important.
Hey, try not to aim for the head.
No, you cover your face and you do not look at us. You just run. All right. Did you press go? All right, you go. You can go whenever.
Hey,
You have to go now. Go.
time out, buddy.
3, 2. We can't shoot you till you get to the circle table.
Yeah, it's on the door.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go. All right. You cannot move it.
Come on, Alex.
And you can only sit there for 3 seconds. 1,
No, ball.
2, 3.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. I love you. Oh shit. Are we ready?
Messin.
Yeah.
What do I have to touch that thing?
You have to touch the wall over there.
the metal thing?
Yes.
Get him.
Ow! 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 You cheated! You cheated! I didn't know.
Son of a bitch, you running next, Duncan.
Yep.